everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Riose and this is Just Life TV. Today we are going to do another beauty feature. We are going to open two packages. Both are from Shopee and from the same brand, BLK Cosmetics. If you want to know what's inside my BLK packages, keep on watching. So today I have two packages to open. As I've mentioned, I have already opened the first one, but I haven't really used most of the stuff inside it except for one item. So this is the item that I have already opened and used. This is the BLK Cosmetics Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Jasmine. And I don't know if it's obvious, but I'm actually using this product on my lids. Ayan. A little bit on my cheeks as well to highlight, and on my lips. I know that the product name says it's a liquid eyeshadow, but I like using products wherever I can. So yeah, I tried it before. It worked naman. That's why I used it on my lids, on my cheeks for highlighter, and on my lips. Before I continue talking about this Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Jasmine, I'm going to open the first package. To set your expectations, I'm not going to talk about the products in detail. I'm just gonna show to you the products that I got. We're not gonna do the swatching and everything. We're gonna do that in some other video. For the first package, I really wanted to show you this one because I got this during a sale last August, if I'm not mistaken. They had a buy one take one promo. Unfortunately, it's not available anymore, but there will be some exciting promos from BLK. Unfortunately, the buy one take one promo for some of the products that I got are not, the promo is not available anymore, but there will be some very exciting 10/10 vouchers and promos that will be available that I will talk about later. So this is their they have an official store on Shopee. It's the BLK official store at Shopee Mall, or on Shopee Mall. I'm going to talk more about that later, but first, let's go to the stuff that I got. So the first set of products that I got are from the Universal line of products. These I got for buy one take one. During the promo that I availed, you can get any two products of Airy Matte Tints or multitasking color sticks. The buy one take one promo was available from August 8 to 12. Currently, these products are available at their suggested retail price, which is 399 pesos. So the first one I got is the priming mattifying stick. I got also the multitasking matte color in Margarita. I got two. The other one is Champagne. All these three, the priming mattifying stick, the multitasking color stick in Champagne, and the multitasking color stick in Margarita, the SRP are all 399. But again, I got it on buy one take one promo. So I got the Margarita and the priming stick together, two products for only 399 pesos. I got Margarita and Champagne because Margarita is matte and Champagne has more of a shimmer effect. So they actually have a chart over here, but it doesn't include the Champagne. I don't know why though. Obviously, the priming mattifying stick has a different function. So the priming mattifying stick, you can use it all over your face or over your lids to prime your face. A primer is a product, if I'm not mistaken, that will help prepare your skin so that the product that you will put on after will stick on it better. I bought this specifically because I'm very curious if this is effective on super oily skin because I have super extra oily skin. I chose Margarita because it's a matte shade of pink, and Champagne because it is more on the brown golden tone with some shimmer. It says here that you can use both on your lids, your cheeks, and even on your lips. I know we're not really supposed to travel nowadays. I haven't traveled in like 2 years. If you need a product that's on the go, I recommend multi-use products like this one. I've been using a lot of multi-use products lately, even if I'm just at home because I just really want to spend less time doing my makeup. Fourth one in this set of products is the Airy Matte Tint. I don't really need more lip tints or lip products, but I really wanted to try this one out. It's in the shade Maple. I just really wanted to try a lippy from this line of products because I'm really interested in the Universal line of products. So this tint, like the color sticks, you can use it also on your lids, on your cheeks, and on your lips. This is also multi-use. Airy matte tints are available in 10 shades. I don't actually remember why I chose the shade Maple. I think it's because it's a bit brownish but not too brown. I specifically chose these 3 shades because again, I can wear it anytime, and these colors are wearable for any skin tone and for any occasion. The 3 multi-purpose sticks are $399 each, that's the SRP, and the Airy Matte Tint is only $379. I was planning to buy actually 2 sticks and 2 tints, but I decided last minute that I just really wanted 3 sticks. It doesn't matter if there's a bit of a price difference. I bought this 2 also for $399 because when there's a promo like this, you pay for the more expensive product. Sulit ako dito sa 4 na to. Go to the next batch of products from the same package. I already mentioned that I got and I currently use the BLK Cosmetics Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Jasmine. In fact, I also use it as a multi-purpose product even if it's labeled as an eyeshadow because I've tried it before on my cheeks and on my lips because I was trying to quickly put on makeup for an event and it worked. This is from the K-Beauty line of products. I already unboxed that one. It's kind of dark and weird video, but the link will be over here. This time I chose Jasmine. I chose Jasmine because it's a pretty shade of pink I don't yet have as a liquid eyeshadow color. I also got 2 more similar product but not really because these are not liquid eyeshadows. One is a creamy all-over paint, so similar to the multi-use sticks and the Airy Matte Tint. This is the BLK Cosmetics Creamy All-Over Paint in Peony. This creamy all-over paint in the shade Peony is also part of the K-Beauty line of products. BLK Cosmetics is a brand by Ann Curtis. The K-Beauty line of products is actually inspired by her love for K-drama and everything Korean. I got the Peony Creamy All-Over Paint. It's also pink. So let's do a quick comparison. And then the third one that's kind of similar. Oh, this is also from the K-Beauty line of products. I did not buy this product. This came as a freebie. This is another K-Beauty creamy paint product. This is in the shade Peach. Lately, I've been loving like peachy makeup looks. Somebody told me that they like the peachy look on me. That validated me and encouraged me to do it more often, even if I really already liked it, even without being complimented. And I feel like it's a good look on me because I have a yellow undertone. Wow, I'm making puri myself. So this is the creamy cheek paint in the shade Peach. It's quite obvious. I've been using a lot of liquid blushes. Yeah, this might be something that I will be using. Oh, I don't want to open it. Baka masira ako before I take a photo. Again, I got 3 products from the K-Beauty line of products of BLK. The first one is the Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Jasmine, which is shimmery pink. And then I got the BLK Cosmetics Creamy All-Over Paint in the shade Peony, which is a matte pink shade. And then finally, I got a freebie, which is the BLK Cosmetics K-Beauty Creamy Cheek Paint in the shade Peach. I really wanted to do these 3 products last, but I think I'm mistaken because these are also part of the BLK Universal line of products. I'm already using one of it, but I didn't buy it with this batch. I bought it beforehand, and this is one of my favorite makeup products of all time. This is the BLK Cosmetics Brow Cara or Brow Mascara in the shade Taupe. If you've been following me or watching me here on YouTube and following me on social media, you know that I'm not very good at working on my brows. Look naman, I didn't even shave. I haven't been shaving. I just lightly brushed it with this product today. I actually regret not getting another one of the Brow Cara in Taupe because I thought marami pa to, but apparently I've been using it a lot. Well, not apparently, I know naman. I ended up with the brow mascara in the natural brown shade. This is in the natural brown shade. So these ones, the brow mascaras, are from the Universal line. So they belong with multicolor sticks, and the Airy Matte Tint. This all belong in the same line of products, so I'm probably gonna do a separate video with all of these. These two brow products belong to the newest line or the newer line of products, which I'm going to talk more about later, but it's also featured on my blog, so do visit my blog, jossalife.com. These are the BLK Cosmetics Daydream Brow Lock Pencil and Gel Mascaras. Dalawa to. I have one in taupe and one in natural brown. I got two in two shades similar to this two because I also wanted to try if this worked well together, but I think I don't really need to combine the two, but we'll see. So the difference is this one are just brow mascaras. It just comes with the brush applicator and the product itself. But this one is composed of two products. I don't know if I'm gonna compare the two colors or if I'm gonna compare the two products. Let me know what type of video or what type of content you'd be more interested in. I bought taupe and natural brown in the two types of products because taupe is actually, I think I've explained this before, it's a shade that's in between or a mixture of gray and brown, so it fits any skin tone, any hair color, anything practically. And it also fits almost every type of makeup look. And then I also got natural brown because there are just some days where I want like a natural brown look everywhere all over my face, and wala lang, there are two shades. I wanted to try both shades for comparison as well. I know that I'm not one of those people na kilay is life, but I'm trying my best to at least try. I don't own a lot of kilay products. I don't invest in them because I know that they're going to go to waste because I don't use them a lot, but I'm super excited to try all these brow products from BLK Cosmetics. To summarize, I got products from different collections of BLK Cosmetics. So I got products from the Universal line, I got products from the Daydream line, I got products from the K-Beauty line. Before I say goodbye to you guys, I'd like to share with you some of the 10/10 promos of BLK Cosmetics. I would recommend buying their sets and packages because you get to save a lot of money. If you are concerned about shipping, please buy it during the 10/10 sale because they have vouchers for free shipping. The free shipping on 10/10 requires only a minimum spend of only 249 pesos, plus you get to have a 10% cash back. You can also avail of 50 pesos off with a minimum spend of only 599 pesos. Just go to the official BLK Cosmetics store on Shopee Mall. Just claim your voucher. And then of course we also have some items on sale. So for example, the K-Beauty Creamy All Over Paint in Daffodil will be 50 pesos off. 10/10 is the Shopee Brands Festival, so there will be a lot of brands with a lot of exciting promos, vouchers, cashback available, and free shipping with very small minimum spending required. So don't forget to tune in. We do have something planned for 10/10. We will be recommending to you our favorite buys and other recommended products that you might want to buy during the 10/10 Brands Festival. The link to that one and the details will definitely be on the description box down below and on my social media accounts as well as on my blogs. I do plan to do more content about specific sets of products by BLK that I already showed you, so I didn't do any swatching today. I will do that either in the video format or on my blog, hopefully, but definitely there will be more about this stuff on my social media accounts. So don't forget to visit my blog because I have already blogged about the Daydream collection. Those information are on my blog, jossalife.com. All the details, all the links, and the links to the official store of BLK Cosmetics on Shopee will also be in the description box down below and on my blog. Again, my blog is at jossalife.com. Don't forget to follow me on social media as well. It's Ria Jose on Facebook, also Jossalife on Facebook, Ria Jose Davao on Instagram, and Jossalife on Instagram, and Ria Jose on Twitter. I will be uploading more of this stuff and other glam and beauty content on those social media accounts. If you have any questions or suggestions on topics or content that I can do with these products and other products that you might want me to try, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. And if you liked this video and you found it informative and helpful in your decision making on what products to buy from BLK Cosmetics, and I think I also gave a few makeup and skincare tips as well, so if you found those useful, please give me a thumbs up, or if you didn't, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs down. Don't forget to leave me a comment so that I will be able to improve on my content. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button over there so that you will be updated or notified if I have new beauty and glam content and other content on this channel. Marami pong salamat. See you at the Shopee Mall on October 10, and do give me a little bit of comment or feedback if you did buy anything from BLK Cosmetics. Thank you guys for watching. Marami pong salamat. See you on my next video. Paalam. Bye. Stay glowing, everybody. Now let's proceed to the other package, which will give more meaning and relevance to what I'm wearing right now.